Okie dokie. All right. So, anyways, I've just downloaded the DJI thing and I accepted it, and it's asking me to sign in. So I'm going to sign in. And then my password. Done. Sign in. What's going on? Okay, done. Okay, I signed in. Log in. Oh, there we go. All right, so enter device. All right. So, anyways, I'm going to take this phone out of its case so I can put it in my controller. And here's the controller. I have it plugged in here with the deal. I have the proper connection on here. I'll push it. I like to push it in a little bit. Get this here connected. I've even connected it with another cable with a USB underneath it, and still no good results. Okay, so now I've got to get this to go. All right, connect that in there. There, it's connected in. Now I've got to get it to go back in that. There we go. So that's in there. Let's get this here like that. And so I am connected into this here, and it's asking me to high performance. So I've got my phone on high performance, and let's go to my drone app. Okay, so in the DJI store, I guess I could turn that one off. DJI store, performance mode. Open that. I'm going to open up the thing. Okay, so I'm at DJI Go, as you can see. I guess it should do something, Okay, there it is. Enter device. Now, I'm going to turn this on. So I'm hit it twice. Now it's on. You can hear the noise it says connecting. Connecting, okay. And that's all it will do. And so okay, make sure charger is properly connected. Use charger that came with device. So it's just charging my phone or something. Open DJI Go when USB accessory is connected. Now it says use default, and that's unchecked, and I've done both. It still don't work, so I'm just going to check that. Now it says RC connected right here. And so latest version check. Okay, so now it just went through that disappeared, the version check. And so I click the space down here, and I don't see any place where it says check a version or anything. So I click on equipment. I can click on enter device. So I click on enter device, and as of course it shows that there is, of course the device isn't on, so it says aircraft disconnected. All right, so you can see that. That's the screen I'm getting. I should be getting the ATT screen, I believe. And it's not doing that. And so then now I've got this, I'm going to pop off the protectors. Pop this off. Now this plane hasn't, the blades have not been powered. I haven't done that yet. When I first started it up back on December 9th, I got an ATT screen. It asked me to calibrate the joysticks. I did that. It said success. And I just set it down. And then on the 10th of December, I bought the local Sears store. And I've been busy ever since. I'm busy right now. I can kind of show you this store here. I've been so busy. So here's my store. You can go to www.searson.com, and I bought Sears Hometown, Placerville, and that's my store. And anyways, so I've been quite busy, haven't had time to fly this thing. I would like to do some videos of the store, I'm selling some land. I would like to do videos of the land. And I didn't fly this thing because I've never flown one before, other than I have a little helicopter, and it's about this big, and it was like $50, and when I tried the joist, anyways, it was a piece of garbage. This is very nice if it works, but so far I can't get it to work. So I'm going to turn this on now, and look, it's still connecting here. See that? We're still connecting here. And so I'm going to turn this on. Pressed it once, held it down. These moved. Now we got all these doodads here. It's going through its phases, blinking lights, and green lights in the back. Green to red, to green to red, and in the front just total red lights. And then what do we have here? It says it's connecting. Now if I press this button here, I can get the screen to do some stuff. That's about it. It says flight mode something, then it disappeared. It wouldn't even tell. Okay, you're about to enable agree, so I'm going to agree with that. I'm going to put it in beginner mode. It's asking, oh, I'm getting a little farther this time. So I went into beginner mode, and that thing there is just sitting there. I don't know what to do with that. I'll let it set for a while and see if it does anything. Apparently it's not going to do anything. I can move these antennas around a little bit. Maybe I'm not doing it right or something. Maybe I have to do that thing where you spin it around like that, and then maybe where you do that, I don't know, and like that, and who knows? I have no clue. And so it's still connecting, nothing. And I'll get rid of this. I'm going to hit the X on this beginner mode, and then it still says that it's not connected. And so I can touch this button again. Digital zoom is not supported. And press that. Now see, beginner mode is now turned off. I never turned it off. And so I turned it on again. It isn't doing anything. Aircraft disconnected. So other than, I don't know what else to do here. It has a picture, I can touch that, and it shows my area. It doesn't show, okay, there's some tools there, private recreation. Okay, what's this? I don't even know what that does. What does that do? What does that do? Standard, hybrid, satellite. Okay, so I got it on satellite. And this is where I live. This is my house. Right there. It's my house. And I don't know, I have no idea what to make of this thing. Okay, bird's eye view. I don't know. I can't even get the camera. Before I could see what the camera was showing. And slide to take off. I mean, I can slide it to take off, but I don't think it will. See, I just slid it to take off. Nothing happens. Anyway, I'm going to send you this video. I hope it works. Where's my cursor at? Says the cursor. There we go. Okay, let's pop that up. Turn off the camera.